Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, I've already explained you yesterday that chances was very high. We can see that a strong support at a level of 2.0467 we can see. Now you can see it has almost at this particular level. Okay, and this strong support. So what we can see, a bounce back can come at this particular level, or mostly it will move in this zone. Okay, if it goes below this particular level, you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that chances will be very high that if the price started going above this particular level, we can see it can move again towards a level of 2.1, then to a level of 2.16, and a probability of going above 2.2, and then a probability of going towards 2.37. And as soon as the price started hitting above 2.37, then you can say there will be a probability of moving upside. Okay, otherwise we will not see that there will be an upside till the time it is not going above a level of 2.3. Okay, and this is the zone. A probability will be there. As soon as the price started hitting above 2.2, then a further upside movement we can see. But if the price started moving in this zone, then a probability will be there, it will move in this level. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, previously you have to understand how the price of natural gas is moving. See, natural gas is moving in a zone of 3.2 for quite some time. Okay, but if the price started again towards a level of 2.9, then a probability of going above a level of 3.2 also we can see. But now it is around below a level of 2.3 and touching at a level of 2.068. So probability will be very high that we can see a further downfall. Going on a dollar index chart, you will see that the dollar index started going further fall, and I've already explained you that when the dollar index started going down, we can see the natural gas price will come up. But sometimes they both move in one direction. Okay, so when these things happen, you always try to set your SL, but you should be setting your SL as soon as you start your trade, because see, the market is always uncertain, so it will save your capital. Okay, and if you start in profit, and once you started getting profit, try to trail your SL so that your profit can be saved. These two things, it will sustain for a longer period of time if you are following these two things. Now the price, till the time it is not going above a level of 104, and once started sustaining 104, we can see a level of 104.5, and then a further upside movement we can see. But if started falling below a level of 103.6, we can see it will fall further low, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so if the price moving below this level, a further fall we can see. Okay, so you can see, looking at this particular chart. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go below a level of $2.0324. Okay, see, if a bounce back come, that is a different thing. I'll explain you after this level. But if the price didn't sustain this particular level, a level of 2.0469, we can see a level of $2.0329. After that, it can move towards a level of around below $2, that is towards 1.97. If the price falling below this particular level, chance of touching 1.91 will be there, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall towards 1.86 will be there. Okay, and as soon as the price started going below 1.86, we can see a further fall towards a level of $1.76, and then a further fall towards 1.7. Okay, if the price started falling, chances are very high it will fall below this level if the price started in sustaining this level. I'll make another video if the price fall below this particular zone. But what if the price sustains? See, because market is always uncertain, suppose it form a swing, what we can see, because there can be a bounce back from this level. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level and bounce back from this particular level after touching a level of 2.469, we can see it can move again towards a level of 2.1157, and from there a probability of going towards 2.13. As soon as the price started going above this particular level, chances of going towards 2.2 we can see, and from there a level of 2.49. Once the price moving above that particular zone, we can see a level of 2.34. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside towards a level of $2.45. Keeping that in mind, that as soon as the price started going above this level, we can see a level of $2.58, and then a further upside towards a level of $2.7, then to a level of after 2.7 we can see 2.8. and then a further upside towards a level of $3, and then a probability of making and going out of this zone to a level of 3.2. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,